In today's video, I'll be showing you how to disable call waiting on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first, open the phone app, then select keypad. From here, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. And in your call settings menu, tap on supplementary services. Wait for them to load. And then once loaded, you should see call waiting. To disable call waiting, tap on the toggle like that and wait for it to load again. And once loaded, you should see it's been turned off. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.